So in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how you can find your mobile device, specifically your iPhone, if it has died on Find My iPhone. So what a lot of people won't know is that there is a way that we can do this, and sometimes people that use iPhone won't actually know how to enable this. So what we need to do is head over to our settings here, and then what we're now going to do is select our Apple ID here at the top. And once we do that, we can then scroll down and click on Find My. So if we click on the Find My option, you will then be on this page right here. So what we can now do is simply go to Find My iPhone. And once you see this, as you can see, it will now give you the option for Send Last Location. So what this will do is if your battery is critically low and it's about to die, it will send the last known location to Apple. So if you're trying to find your mobile device even after it has died or lost battery, you will be able to do this because it has sent the last known location to Apple, and it's a very simple way to be able to get around it if you've lost your device and it has died or for whatever reason has been turned off, or your battery has been critically low and it has actually lost battery. So it's just as simple, guys. You want to go ahead and enable this setting here, and once we fully enable this setting, that will then make it easier for you to find your iPhone if you have, obviously, your device has died. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.